Data that you use is always related to many things. Have you ever wondered, should I put this file into this folder or into that folder? Deciding where to put it can be hard, and finding it again can turn out to be a nightmare. Tags are like containers as well as labels. You can view all the files sharing a tag in the same way that you can view a folder containing files, and one file can appear in many tag containers. You probably have hundreds of project files and documents that you share with your colleagues. They may be scattered across share drives and cloud storage and are often related to several concepts and categories. They may not necessarily have informative file or folder names. SetTags lets you easily apply tags by dragging files or folders from Explorer, or by looking at a file preview and choosing a tag based on what you see. A centrally controlled tag list can provide consistency across the office. When you're looking for a file, often all you remember is what the file is about, not where it is or how you named it. SetTags lets you and your colleagues retrieve files on the basis of what they're about. Using SetTags, you can find your data by browsing the tag list to see all the data sharing a particular tag, and you can export your data organized by tag. Because SetTag stores tag information in the file name, anyone you permit can access the files by tag even if they don't have SetTags installed. With a group of people collaborating with SetTags, you can forget about asking yourself, where did I put that file? And you no longer need to email files to your colleagues just to make sure that they get them. SetTags brings you a simple and intuitive interface, and you won't need an IT expert to install it. Search for SetTags and Alika to download your free demo today.